I saw your question on discussion board. You want to convert this base to base 8 from binary to octal. I'm going to follow. There's a handout available for this section. I'm going to follow what the handout suggests. So I'm going to convert the binary to decimal, and then the base 10, then the base 10 to octal, base 8. So to convert binary to decimal or base 10, you got to count. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you take this digit times 2 to the 6th power, then this digit times 2 to the 5th power, and you take that next 0 to the 4th, etc., until you get to the last one, be 0 times 2 to the 0 power. And you work out that arithmetic, you get 64 here, 32. Well, those, of course, are zeros. You get 4, 2, and that's a 0. So that comes out to 102 base 10. That's equivalent to. Now I'm going to convert that to octal or base 8. So you divide that, 102 by 8. It'll go in there 12 times with a remainder of 6. So that's our first digit. And you take this part, what went in there 12 times, you divide it by 8, it'll go in there 1 time with a remainder of 4. And that's our next digit. So we take our 1 divided by 8, it'll go in there 0 times, our remainder is 1. And that's our first digit. Hope this helps.